Hello, gorgeous people. Hello, beautiful subscribers. I hope you're doing fantastic. Welcome back to the channel. This channel is for you that loves music production, mixing, mastering, songwriting, and want to know how it's done. So if you are one of those people, subscribe to the channel. Today, we want to talk about my 3 keys to soul music. Are you ready? Hit the subscribe button and let's go. Okay, so let's go soul music. Do you like soul music? Of course you do. I do. And I think we can learn so much from listening to soul music. So I want to do something very simple but very clear today. I want to talk about the 3 biggest keys to soul music, in my opinion. And this is a little bit of a continuation of last episode that I did on funk music. So let's move on to soul music, I guess. So the first key to soul music is, of course, kick and snare focus. Okay, we're gonna get back to that in a minute. And second of all, keep chord instruments dull. And third, vocal timing. Okay, so let's get into it, and I'm gonna explain all these 3 steps. So first of all, I'm gonna record something simple, but with heavy kick and snare focus. Okay, that's the way to go. Okay, let's listen. Can you hear the snare? Yes, you can. So I've already manipulated the sound a little bit for the kick and snare to really come through. Okay, next up, the second thing, you remember? Keep the chord instruments dull. And what I mean by dull is you want to use frequencies that are in the lower area. You don't want any, you want this, Okay, let's try. Something like that. Let's listen. Okay. Okay, so the first one, kick and snare focus. You need to have a lot of emphasis on the kick and snare. And second of all, you remember? Keep the chord instruments dull. Think about the chord instruments as a huge, cozy, warm blanket that you just want to wrap around you. And why do we do this? Well, it's because we want more space for the vocals. And that brings us to the third thing, which was vocal timing. Okay, we want to talk about the timing here. We don't want to talk about exactly the purpose of the lyrics and all that. We want to talk about the timing. So I'm going to sing very, very simple lyrics, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or something. And I'm going to show you the difference between timings. Okay, let's see. Let's work with a slightly lower metronome. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that one was pretty much on the beat, but the second that I'm going to do is going to be much more laid back. It's almost like we have tilted the sound 50 milliseconds or so, but I'm going to record it in a natural way.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. And listen to everything in together. 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Did you hear the difference between the two vocal tracks? The first one was pretty much on the beat, but the second it was really, really laid back, and that's where the soul comes in. You need to find a way of perceiving yourself to the beat. And I like to say to my artists that I'm working with that instead of dragging the train, you need to be behind the train and be dragged by the train in some kind of chord. I don't know. That makes a huge difference. You don't want to lead the train on the track. You want to follow the train. Still be connected to the train, but you want to be dragged by the train. So let's listen again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
On the beat.
3, 4,
Pretty much.
5, 6,
And then
7,
listen.
8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How about that? Okay, so again, as a reminder, the three most important things in soul music, in my opinion. First of all, kick and snare. Whoops, kick and snare focus. You need to hear the kick and snare. I think you can hear the snare and kick in this recording. Secondly, keep the chord instruments dull. Keep them in a low frequency mode. I have some high cut going on this electric piano, just as a suggestion for you to create that kind of dull sound. And why is that? Well, because you want to create space for the vocals, which is the third one, again, which is vocal timing. You need to be behind the train and be dragged by the train instead of dragging the train. And the train is a metaphor for the tempo. So, if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel. And what's your favorite ways of creating soul music? Creating this feel, creating this vibe, creating this thing when we talk about the train. Hit it in the comments and let's discuss, because I want to learn and I hope that you want to learn too. So let's do this together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member of the IWM channel, which means many, many cool features, such as studio tours, live Q&As, live sessions, and all that. So that's something that you can do today. Until next time, keep it rocking, and don't forget these three keys to soul music. One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And
6, 7, 8.
difference.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, until next time, take care. See you soon.